How to recover deleted photos, videos, and chats on Snapchat. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Snapchat app on your mobile device and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner to go to your profile. Once you're in the profile, all you have to do is tap on the gear icon available in the top right corner. That will navigate you to your settings. Once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and look for the My Data option available there. After you find it, simply tap on it. Once you are inside the My Data, you'll get to see some download or recover options available on your screen. For that, you'll have to enter your email address and password first. Once you enter your email address and password, you will get to see recover option available on your screen. Now all you have to do is toggle on the switch of recover memories and photos and scroll down and continue with the process. After that, choose the date since when you want to recover your memories or photos. Here I am choosing since a year or a long time. You can choose any according to your preferences. And now what happens is Snapchat will send you a link on your email address to recover your all memories and data. It may take some long time, but they will definitely send it. So make sure to check your email and be active on your email address. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.